Hey, I'm Catherine Rod, technical agronomist for Channel in Northeast Iowa, and today I want to talk to you about corn rootworm larvae floats. So the reason why we do this is we are starting to see corn rootworm feeding on our roots, and we're checking for the amount of larvae that we are finding. So with this is a good proactive approach to learn about your corn rootworm population in your field and any management decisions that you might want to make later on in the season, including a foliar insecticide application with a fungicide application later this summer. And let's shake it off a little bit. So what we are doing is we are digging roots to look for corn rootworm larvae in this field. And so what we do is you pick a average looking plant. You want to dig it up and try and get as much of the root mass as possible. We want to shake off the soil as much as we can. And then we start looking for feeding or roots that have looked like they have been fed on from the corn rootworm larvae. So far, this looks pretty good, but we'll learn more once we've washed this off. So if you have dug roots and you've observed a lot of feeding, and this might lead to potentially down corn later this season, but we need to think about how are we going to handle the severe feeding for the years to come in our current corn rootworm population.